guys, what's up? I am Samarpan Dasgupta back again with new tutorial video. In this video, we are going to know about the row and column widget of the Flutter. In the last video, we see about the benefit of size box and container and its different properties. Continuing the last lecture, going to know about the row and column widget in Flutter with the help of that container. Okay, so let's start the video. So in the last video, we made the screen for understanding the container. Now let's do one thing. Let's remove all of the things of that container so that I will be telling you from the scratch. So under the center widget, I make a row here. So row having a children widget. In that children, you can add as many items as you want. As you know, row arrange item in the horizontal manner. So I make a widget here, container of width I give about 100 and height I give about 150, and I make the color as colors dot blue. Okay, and if I hot reload it here at first, you can see there is a block of container is made. But as I said, we can add as many container or as many child under that children list as we want. Okay, so what we can do, we make a total 3 of the widget as a children of that row, and the 3 widget is here, but I think you are recognizing it as a single widget because there is no space between the widgets. So what I can do for giving a space between of every widget, there is a property name under row, name is main axis alignment, and that accepts main axis alignment, and that is all the properties. So giving the space between the elements, we generally use space between. So let's hot reload it and let's see what happened. Now you can see there is 3 widget and having a space is present, but here you can notice one thing. For the left side widget there is no left space, for the right side widget there is no right space, but for the middle side widget there is both left and right and equal space. For giving equal space for left and right side for every of the widget, we use main axis alignment dot space evenly. Okay, so that will be given even space from left and right of every widget. Okay, and there is another properties present about that space around. So actually, if you see the effect, you will understand that. So it will give a significant space from the edge of the screen. For that screen, the edge is left and right, and there is the space is present with the other blocks of element, but that is not in the evenly manner. So for the evenly space, you have to use space evenly. Beside that, there is a property of main axis alignment dot center. That's actually keep the things at the center of the screen. So the 3 blocks is now at the center of the screen. After that, there is a property of main axis alignment dot end. So if I hot reload it here, you can see the elements are arranged at the right of the screen because row representing the horizontal distribution. So for the horizontal distribution, the end is the right of the screen. Okay, and if I make it start, so and I hot reload it here, and you can see it is at the left of the screen for the same reason. Okay, so if you not mention main axis alignment under a row, it will be considered by default main axis alignment dot start. Okay, just keep the things in the mind. The same things can be applied for the column as well. So in that column, what we have to do, I just replace the row with the column, and that's it, the column is made. So row column having the same syntax, but the property is different. As you know, the column distributed items in the vertical manner. So I give here main axis alignment dot space between, and that space between and space evenly, all of the properties of main axis alignment that you seen here, that will be same for the row and column, but the direction is changed in case of row and considered as a column. So here I give a space between that will be arranged in a vertical manner of the screen with a specific spaces. So as you can see, it is arranged in a vertical manner in a specific spaces. So if I give here also about the space evenly, there is a even space between all of the widgets. Okay, and there is many more of the option is present, as like I show you in the row, so you can explore it. It is almost same for the row and column, just the direction is the opposite. Now let's understand about the one of the most important parameter under that column, that is cross axis alignment. So if I here give cross axis alignment, and here you can see cross axis alignment, there is many more option is present. So let's see what is cross axis alignment dot end. So for the kind information, I let you know that for the column, the item is distributed in the vertically. Okay, so for the vertical distributions of the item, the cross-axis alignment will be responsible for the horizontal properties of the widgets. Okay, so if I here hot reload here, so what happened here, you can see no effect because the pace is just for the pace between. So what I can do, I make that center as a container and give it the respective width and height as I shown you from the last video. So if you not see the last video, here or here the link is coming, just go and see the last video. Okay, and if I hot reload it here, as you can see, it is showing at the right edge of the screen, because as I said, cross axis alignment for the column is the horizontal property maintenance. Okay, so main axis alignment for the column managing the direction of vertically, the cross axis alignment managing the properties in the horizontally in case of column. For the row, that is change. So if I change from the column to row and I hot reload it here, here you can see it is at the edge of the screen, because as I said before, for the row the item is distributed at the horizontal part. Okay, but cross axis alignment in the row, what does it actually maintains the property in the vertically. Okay, so here you can see cross axis alignment dot end. So in case of row, it maintains the property in the vertically. So in the vertically end means the end of the screen is here, and if I change it as the row, that is exist before, so you can see here this is at the edge of the screen but at the rightmost side of the screen. So that's the two main important property of row and column. You can play with different properties of main axis alignment and cross axis alignment of row and column. That will be really fun. Okay, and there is another many other property present, just like text direction, main axis side, vertical direction. This is not very much important as of now. If it is required, I will tell you in case when we do projects. So you can play around with it. That will be very much helpful to you to understand it better. So guys, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. New video of this series is coming very soon. So see you in the next video. Stay happy. Bye.